Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of spring planting. And let me tell you folks, if you're not already planning your spring veggie garden, you're missing out big time. Fresh, crisp veggies straight from your garden to your plate. There's something truly magical about growing your own food, wouldn't you agree? And with spring just around the corner, now's the perfect time to get your hands dirty and start planting. But hey, before you grab those gardening gloves, let's talk about 7 veggies you'd be crazy not to plant this spring. First up, we have everyone's favorite garden superstar, tomatoes. Is there anything more satisfying than biting into a juicy, homegrown tomato? I don't think so. Tomatoes thrive in the warm spring weather and come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. From cherry tomatoes to beefsteak beauties, there's a variety for every taste bud. Plus, they're super versatile, perfect for salads, sandwiches, or simply snacking on while you're working in the garden. Next on our list are peppers, the spicy, the sweet, and everything in between. Bell peppers, jalapenos, poblanos, you name it. Peppers have got it covered. These colorful gems add a burst of flavor to any dish and are a breeze to grow in your spring garden. Plus, they're packed with vitamins and antioxidants, making them not only delicious, but also nutritious. So why not add a little heat to your garden this spring? Cucumbers, the cool and refreshing stars of summertime salads and sandwiches. But did you know that cucumbers are also perfect for spring planting? That's right. These crunchy delights love the warm weather and can be easily grown from seed or seedlings, whether you prefer them pickled, sliced, or diced. Fresh cucumbers straight from the vine are an absolute treat for your taste buds. Now, let's talk about zucchini, the unsung hero of the veggie garden. With their prolific nature, zucchinis are a gardener's dream come true. In just a few short weeks, you'll be harvesting armloads of these versatile veggies. From zoodles to bread and everything in between, there's no shortage of delicious ways to enjoy zucchini. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance veggie that packs a punch, look no further than zucchini. Lettuce, the quintessential green of spring salads and sandwiches. There's something so satisfying about harvesting your own crisp, fresh lettuce from the garden. And with a variety of types to choose from: romaine, butterhead, leaf, and more, you'll never get bored of adding a little green to your plate. Plus, lettuce is a cool season crop, meaning it thrives in the mild temperatures of spring. So go ahead, get your salad bowls ready. Moving right along, let's talk about carrots, the crunchy, sweet root veggies that are a staple in any spring garden. Carrots are not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to grow, making them perfect for beginner gardeners. And with a rainbow of colors to choose from: orange, purple, yellow, and even white, you can add a pop of color to your garden beds. So why not plant a few rows of these nutritious delights and watch them thrive? Last, but certainly not least, we have snap peas, the crispy, crunchy pods that are as fun to grow as they are to eat. Snap peas are a favorite among gardeners for their sweet flavor and satisfying snap when bitten into. And the best part? They're a cool season crop, meaning they prefer the milder temperatures of spring. So grab your trellis and get ready to watch these delightful veggies climb their way to deliciousness. Well, there you have it. Folks, 7 veggies you'd be crazy not to plant in spring. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, there's something truly special about growing your own food. So why wait? Grab your seeds, roll up your sleeves, and let's get planting. Until next time, happy gardening.